There is a large variety of different types of paper. Let's look at a few things you may want to consider before choosing the paper that will best work for your project. Paper comes in many different weights and is typically measured in pounds. You will find paper types from lightweight papers to mid and heavyweight papers. With Cricut Maker, choose your material in Design Space. For all Cricut machines, there are always custom options. If you are planning on making a project that requires little support or stiffness in the material, such as this beautiful vellum cover, lighter weight paper would be the best option. This might include common office paper, notebook paper, or mulberry paper. Don't forget to use the Cricut Light Grip mat when working with lighter materials. If your project needs something more stiff and firm, such as this fun rosette wall hanging, you may want to explore heavier weight materials, such as textured cardstock, heavy pattern paper, or glitter paper. For heavyweight papers, use the standard grip or strong grip mat for a secure hold while cutting.